Alright, so good day everybody. Ito na naman tayo, ang inyong channel. Uh, we are now again discussing a topic. Ang napili ko for today, loans receivable. Based dun sa mga nakikita kong mga ongoing lessons ng mga accountancy students, timely ito, loans receivable. So we will talk about in particular how to account for this type of account, and at the same time, ano ba itong direct origination cost at saka actual origination cost? How are they related, and how do these accounts affect this loans receivable accounting? So let's do it. So meron tayo ditong problem. Let's solve the problem kung ano yung given dito. So this is just a quick review, and we hope we can tackle this quickly and clearly to everybody. So basahin natin yung problem. Ang problem is China Bank granted 1 million 14% loan to ABC company on January 1st, 2020. Interest is made every December 31st, and the principal will be paid on December 31, 2023. So this will last for 4 years, the whole 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. So given din dito, China Bank charged ABC company 10,000 pesos for processing of the loan, and also the actual cost incurred in the processing of the loan is 70,747. So I will just show you how to do this type of problem, or how to deal with this type of problem solving. So ang required natin ay letter A, give the carrying amount of the loans receivable on January 1st. Number 1, December 31, 2020, December 31, 2021, 2022, and 2023, December 31st. All of them are December 31st, So actually reporting period yon. Tapos required din dito yung journal entries, for 2020. Okay, so all of these will be tackled and will be given solutions. So we will just go on with the solutions kasi given naman dito yung mga requirements. Okay, so in this type of problem, it's practical, to use a procedure, really intended for this type of problem. So okay, so nakita naman natin yung mga requirements. So ayan, sasagutin natin yan, as quickly as we can. Kasi this is a video, so you can just go back to the problem and questions, and we can go straight to the solutions for you to easily get the techniques, and procedure. Okay, so ang una natin gagawin ito. So first of all, I will just show you. In this type of problem, ang unang-unang tinatanong dyan, yung carrying value ng loans receivable at the time of granting of the loan. So, kung ating titingnan ng solutions, no? Loans receivable principal is 1 million as what we see in the problem. Okay, 1 million. This is a 14% loan. Okay? Tapos, merong direct origination cost. Ang direct origination cost is the actual cost incurred, no? In processing of the loan. Yun yung 70,747. And direct origination cost, no? Uh, as shouldered by the uh, bank, no, will be added, no, to the principal. It will be a part of the carrying amount of the loan. And at the same time, there was a charge, no, against ABC company that the debtor, no, 10,000 pesos. Kaya this will be charged, or shall we say, i-offset natin ito sa origination cost, no? To get the carrying value of the loan. So that's how to do it. So the principal, the origination cost, ito yung cost na shinolder, no, or the amount of processing of the loan, no, by the bank. And this is the direct origination fees. Ito naman yung charge ng bank doon sa ABC company. Okay? So, to get the carrying value as of January 1st, no, yun sa time of granting of the loan is 1,060,747. That will be the carrying value. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo dito, you will think of what is the effective rate of interest. Yun ang unang requirement dito because you know the carrying amount. So for the sake of for purposes of amortization, so we must know what is the effective rate of interest for us to be used in the amortization. Kasi based dito, ang nominal interest niya ay 14%. So, yun ang unang-una mong hahanapin. Paano mo makukuha ang effective rate of interest? Again, since ang iyong carrying amount ay over the principal, over the face amount, so definitely ang theory dito is that the effective rate of interest is lower than the nominal interest of 14%. So by trial and error, we will try to get the effective rate of interest by doing it, by computing it. So ako, ang una nating kagad na hinulaan, it must be lower than 14. So, nag-try ako kagad sa 12%. So, sinubukan ko kagad yung 12%. So, ito na ngayon ang lumabas. So it must be equal to the carrying amount na lumabas dito sa ating plus and minus. Again, idadagdag natin yung ginastos ng bank, yung processing, tapos ililess naman natin yung fee na binayaran naman ng debtor, yung ABC company. So, ang carrying amount ay 160,747 or 1,060,747. So, by using the present value formula, so I tried sa 12%. For 4 periods. So, yung 1 million multiplied by present value of 1, for 4 periods is 0.635518, lumabas 635,518. Tapos, yung interest, supposedly, na tatanggapin for 4 periods, 140,000 per annum. So we will multiply it by the present value of ordinary annuity of 1, no? Ang ginamit ko again is 12%, which is lower than the nominal interest. Katulad nga ng sabi ko, if the carrying amount or carrying value is higher than the face amount, definitely the effective rate of interest is lower than the 14%, no, na nominal interest. So, ito sinubukan ko agad yung 12%. So, nagtali naman agad siya, no? That means to say 12% talaga ang effective rate of interest in this type of transaction, no? As of 2020. So, tali siya doon sa present value or carrying value as of January 1st, which is the granting of the loan. So, exactly, 1,060,747. So, we will just have to account for this and also prove na ang amount na ito is really the correct one. So, we will do the tabulation as required by the problem. Ano, yun, no? We will give the carrying amount as of December 31st, 2020, 2021, 22, and 23. So, we will complete the requirement, no, sa letter A. Ito na ngayon yan. So, we can do it as easy as it can be. So, basta tama ang procedure. So, okay. So, this is how it will be presented. So, sa January 1st, ayun yung ating present value, no? Na-prove natin 12%. So, 12% ang gagamitin natin sa amortization. So, ang una natin gagawin, so definitely ang nominal interest is constant at 140,000. That is 14% of the 1 million. So, every year yan, ano, may nominal interest. The effective rate of interest will be 12%, no? Against the carrying amount, ano, the carrying amount as of that particular period. So, you know, base sa formula, no, 1,060,747 times 12%. So, meron tayong mga amounts dito as the effective interest, no, effective interest. Okay? So, ang amortization is to deduct the effective rate of interest, no, from the nominal interest. So, that will serve as the amortization, no. So, as of 2020, December, 1,048,37 ang ating carrying value. That goes to December 31, 2021, 1,033,801, and 2022, 1,017,857, and lastly, no, you can see, no, na nagtali na siya sa 1 million because this is this is a, how do you call this? This is a interest-bearing note, no? But this is a loan with originating cost. So, yun ang effect ng originating cost, ano? Kaya, we really have to amortize for this originating cost. Kaya, so, nakuha natin yung principal amount by the year 2023. But considering, nakakolekta naman tayo talaga on a yearly basis ng 140,000 per annum. But again, since meron nga siyang mga originating costs and originating fees, the excess of the originating cost over the originating fees will be amortized, no? At ang effect, we can see that the real interest is much lower than the nominal interest. So, anong tendency, no? Bumababa ang ating recognized interest income. Again, the interest income recognized is lower than the nominal interest that we should have recognized. It is a lower amount of interest. considering na ina-amortize natin yung originating cost. So, and now, no, this is the journal entries, no, for the following uh, events, no, upon the granting of the loan. So the following are the journal entries to be recorded by the bank. Okay, so let us see. The January 1st transactions will be recorded like this. So debit, loan receivable 1 million, cash 1 million. At the same time, the receipt of the origination fee 10,000 cash debit. Direct origination fee is 10,000. Okay, and at the same time, the processing of the loan, direct origination cost 70,747 and credit cash 70,747. On December 31st, the very first year, the bank will be recording the following. The receipt of the interest, which is 140,000. So, cash debit, 140,000 and interest income, 140,000. But we have to amortize the origination cost, no? So it is a debit to interest income 12,710 and the credit to direct origination cost of 12,710. Again, for us to know bakit ganyan, because this is the difference between the nominal interest and the effective rate of interest. So that's the difference. So it will be the amortization. So 12,710 for December 31, 2020. Again, that's the difference between 140,000, the nominal interest, and the effective rate of interest, 12,710, and it will be deducted from the carrying value of the loan. So at December 31, 2020, it will be 1,048,037. Okay, so that's for 2020. So for December 31, 2021, it goes like this. Okay, so again, we will receive 140,000 credit interest income. The amortization of origination cost, it will be a debit to interest income 14,235, to make it to make it a whole number, 14,236, to be exact, to the nearest peso, 14,236. Okay, for year 2021. So let's go on. For year 2022, it's gonna be like this. So again, we will receive, regularly, we will be receiving this amount because this is the nominal interest, but the recognition of income will be reduced because of the amortization. For the 2022 or 2022 amortization is going to be 15,943, or to make it to the nearest peso, 15,944. Okay, for year 3 amortization. Okay, so then last, for the 2023, and this is the last year, at the same time the collection of the principal, it's going to be like this, okay, 14 or 140,000, and the amortization is going to be 17,857, and lastly, no, for this last period, collection of the principal. Okay, this is going to be collection of the principal. Okay, all right. And all right, so for the presentation as required in the problem, how this loans receivable will be presented. So let's make it as accurate. Okay, that's going to be loans, okay, receivable. Okay, for December 2021 is going to be like this. Okay, so let's make it quick. The principal is 1 million. The direct origination cost as of January 1st, 2020 is 7747. Now the offsetting, the fee will be offset to the cost. Also the amortization for 2020 and the amortization for 2021, as given in the entries, here you can see that, and the balance as of December 31, 2021, the balance of the origination cost is 33,801. So the carrying value of the loan as of December 31, 2021 is 1,033,801, and you can see it in the tabulation. Okay, we are computing for the balance of the loans receivable as required by the problem. Sabi sa December 31, 2021 daw. So, okay, we will show you how it's going to be presented. It's going to be presented as a non-current asset because it's going to be collected on 2023. So also the direct origination cost is at that point as of December 31, 2021 is 33,801. So the carrying amount of the loan is 1,033,801. So we already have completed all the requirement in the problem. So it is just a quick response to the requirement of the problem here. Okay, so I hope this is clear, how to handle this type of problem, pertaining to loans receivable. Okay, so these are the entries again and the presentation. So again, thank you very much for the time, and hope to see you in the next interesting topic. Just always watch and always follow this channel. See you again. Thank you very much.